Now, this is a live look right now at New Jersey Heights, New Jersey. That's one of many areas that has just been absolutely buried by that blizzard that has been hitting the Northeast. It has paralyzed that part of the country, dumping feet of snow, knocking out power in a lot of places, and grounding thousands of flights today. From Philadelphia to Boston, streets are covered in snow. Wind gusts have topped 80 miles an hour in some places. That is pure misery. And many thousands are still without electricity. Providence, Rhode Island, which is no slouch when it comes to winter weather, saw its largest snowfall on record, more than 32 inches of it coming down there, while New Jersey spent hours under a blizzard warning. That's a long time to be in blizzard conditions. In New York City, Mayor Zohran Mamdani warned conditions will remain dangerous even after he lifted the temporary travel ban there.
These are dangerous conditions. Not only is snow continuing to fall, accumulated snowfall and refreezing have made it hazardous to travel.
That sounds miserable, but yet, you know, you can find fun in it too. New York public schools were fully closed for the first time since 2019. So across the Big Apple, a lot of those youngsters especially were out braving the cold. Some were digging out, others just saying, nah, I'm going to have some fun with this, build some legitimate snowmen like they can't do down in Texas, and really fit in some sledding and even take the dog out for a walk. Hopefully they have those special little boots on those paw pads there.